Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Suno app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Suno app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.